Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if my room look a mess, which is not really messy, forgive me. But you guys, I'm buying a house. I have decided which one I want, and I'm starting early. I move in about a little over 2 weeks. So I'm gonna go ahead and start packing, getting most of the clothes out of my dressers and closet. And yeah, so I just left Walmart with my mom, and we got tubs, and yeah, let me see where I want to set this up. Oh, and I did my hair today, so yeah, let me go ahead and start taking stuff out of the dresser. So I got some skirts. I'm gonna show y'all. So this is it. I got some clean socks on the floor because I was looking for a pair of socks that I wanted to wear. And I'm taking this stuff out of the dresser and boxing it up. Okay, y'all. I locked myself out the house. So, as you all know, I'm moving. And, y'all, I've just been stressed out. There's been so much I had to do. It's hot. I'm agitated. And, like, I had I had bought a dining room set, and I didn't have a way to get it because I didn't have a truck yesterday. And so they was like, okay, come back at 12. So my uncle's going to get it, and I'm working, and this is actually my first day on a new job. We're doing it online, doing training. And so he was like, we don't take break till 1. Mind you, I had to pick up the set at 12. Well, he was like, watch a video from 12 to 1. So I'm like, okay, I'm finna just leave, because how they gonna know I'm gone, right? And as soon as I grab my keys to go meet my uncle, which he said he could get it for me himself, I just wanted to be there because I wanted my stuff. I closed the door and I'm like, okay, let me get my keys out of my purse. And my keys are in the house. And I watched YouTube videos on like how to pick a lock, and they're talking about use cards and slide it in. It ain't work. So now I'm just out here, and it's hot. It's like 100 degrees, and I got bit by some ants, so I had to come to the front porch because I was in the back. We don't even have no chairs. I'm just sitting on the ground, literally just on the ground, just sitting down. And yeah, I'm locked out. Hopefully they won't know. I don't think I'll be back in the house at 1 o'clock, because I mean, that's 30 minutes from now. Hopefully my trainer won't be like, oh, I don't see you doing any work, like what's going on. Hopefully he don't notice I'm gone. I'm gonna just tell him like I had technical issues, and like my computer was froze. I had to restart my computer. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm in my car. So my mom came to the house and she unlocked it for me. I'm actually on my lunch break, which ends in about 4 minutes. Oops, I'm just not gonna be back in time. But I'm waiting for my uncle. I ended up buying another set. So basically it was an estate sale, and the stuff was really nice. And I was thinking about this little buffet. Well, I got it for $65, and so my uncle's got to come back because while I was on the way here, he was helping another lady who didn't have a truck to get her stuff. So he dropped it off at her house, and he's on the way back here now to get the buffet, and then we can take everything back home. And hopefully, like I said, I don't get caught, because I'm literally not on the clock. So that's my little area, my little desk area. I'm working at the living room right now. But look, this is the table, and I got this table for $275, and the 8 chairs, all $275 for a dining room table, 8 chairs, and the leave. So this is it, and I was gonna buy another one just like this. Here are 3 chairs here, and then I have 3 more in my car. Now this here is a like buffet bar type. So I literally got this for $65 today. I was like, oh my God, I shouldn't have left it. I'm so happy. And my TV, my big TV is behind here. I got cords everywhere. My living room is like a storage place slash office because my router is in here, so I have to connect to the router. But y'all, it opens up. So it's a little bar. So you got all that good stuff. Open the door.